Ladies and gentlemen, he's got 3 eyes and it's no surprise. This friendly magician tells you no lies. For the mighty DEXTERAS, Evil Ira!
Codenamed Friendly Magician Trickster, and also became a TWF champion. This guy has a pure white soul and has a signature move known as the Evil Eye, concerning the extra eye that he has on top of his skull. Evil Ira is basically one of my favorites DEXTERA wrestlers. I'm doing stuff.
I'm leaving. Are you coming or are you staying?
Give me a minute.
I'm going to that Korean market. Let's go. I'm coming.
And finished. That's how you draw Evil Ira.